The peace and serenity of being in a country lodge comes through in the newest model home from Deer Valley Home Builders, the Sozo. In partnership with Mossy Oak's Native Living series, the Sozo brings the beauty of nature indoors with a spacious and comfortable 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home. The Sozo is designed and built for those whose passion for the outdoors inspires them to bring natural elements indoors. Through the combination of Mossy Oak's native design and Deer Valley's top quality construction, the Sozo is perfect for any person looking for a new home that mirrors their love of nature. Because your home should be every bit as enjoyable as a day spent in the outdoors.